Okay, so Chris has just jumped out to see what's going on because I think the car up ahead is stuck. So he's sorting traffic. He's traffic warden. Yeah, this is crazy. He's talking to the guy in the car who's stuck now. And we might all have to back up on these crazy roads, including the massive 16-wheeler. So, here we go. He's telling the people behind him what to do. Man, it's cold as well. You see all the snow? Look at that. Craziness. Oh my god, and someone's just gone off the road and nearly and hit someone. Shit. And nearly hit Chris. Fuck. Oh, this is getting very dangerous. Whew.